In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant to your FreshBooks account. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard so it's easier to follow along. This process is quick, but it helps to move carefully so you assign the right access from the beginning. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click Team Members. This is the section where you can manage the people who have access to your FreshBooks account, including employees, contractors, and accounting professionals. If you haven't added many users before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward. Once you're in the Team Members area, click Add Team Member. This will open the form where you can create a new profile for the accountant you want to invite. Here, you'll enter their basic details, including first name, last name, and email address. Make sure the email address is entered correctly, since that's where the invitation will be sent. After filling in the information, click Add. After the team member has been created, open the newly added profile. This is the profile you'll use to finish setting up their access. Inside the profile, go to the Role and Permissions section and click Invite. This is where you define what kind of access this person will have in your FreshBooks account. From the available role options, select Accountant Free. This role is specifically designed for accountants, making it a good choice when you want to give someone access to financial information without setting them up as a different kind of user. Choosing the correct role is important because it helps ensure they can access the tools they need while keeping your account organized. You may also see the option to enable full access user. This step is optional, and you should only turn it on if you want the accountant to have full create, edit, view, and delete permissions across your account. If your accountant needs broad access to help manage your books, this can be useful. If not, you can leave it off and keep permissions more limited. When everything looks right, click Send Invitation. FreshBooks will then send the invitation so the accountant can accept it and join your account with the role you selected. And that's all it takes. You've successfully added an accountant to your FreshBooks account. If you're setting this up for the first time, it's always a good idea to double-check the profile and permissions before finishing, just to make sure the access level matches exactly what you intended.